Pepper plants often struggle not because of lack of care, but because of how the soil is prepared and managed from the beginning. Weeds take over, nutrients get wasted, and plants don't get a steady supply of food. But with a few smart techniques, you can turn the same garden bed into a system that feeds your plants while also stopping weeds naturally. In this video, we'll look at two simple but powerful pepper growing methods that improve soil fertility, reduce maintenance, and support strong, healthy plant growth. Method number 1, central pit self-feeding pepper system. This method creates a slow-release nutrient source that feeds pepper plants for weeks without frequent fertilizing, while also improving soil structure from the center outward. Start by digging a medium-sized hole in the center of your garden bed, about 4 to 6 inches deep, and keep the removed soil aside. Placing the pit in the center is important because it allows nutrients to spread evenly in all directions, so multiple plants around it can benefit at the same time. It also creates a natural feeding zone that roots will gradually grow toward. Fill this hole with organic materials like dry leaves, grass clippings, vegetable scraps, and other plant waste. Using a mix of materials helps create a balanced compost that breaks down more efficiently and provides a wider range of nutrients. As these materials decompose, they not only release nutrients, but also improve soil texture, making it softer and easier for roots to expand. Instead of planting directly inside the hole, place your pepper plants around it so their roots are close, but not touching the fresh organic matter. This spacing protects young roots from strong, undecomposed material while still allowing them to access nutrients once the breakdown process begins. As the material decomposes over the next few weeks, it becomes a safe and steady source of nutrients that roots can grow toward naturally. Cover the hole with the saved soil and level the surface to keep the bed neat and protected, while also helping retain moisture inside. You can also add a thin layer of compost or manure on top to introduce beneficial microbes and speed up decomposition. Water the area well to activate the process and help settle the soil. Over time, this central pit works like a natural feeding system, continuously supplying nutrients, improving soil fertility, and helping plants grow stronger with less effort and fewer external inputs. Method number 2, cardboard mulch weed control system for peppers. This method blocks weeds completely while improving soil health and moisture retention, creating a low-maintenance growing environment. Start by preparing your garden bed with well-decomposed manure, spreading it evenly and mixing it lightly into the topsoil to enrich fertility. Then cover the entire bed with cardboard, making sure there are no gaps where sunlight can reach the soil. This step is critical because blocking sunlight prevents weed seeds from germinating. Once the bed is fully covered, make plus-shaped cuts in the cardboard at proper spacing where you want to plant your pepper seedlings. Open the cuts, dig small holes underneath, and carefully place each plant into the soil while keeping the roots undisturbed. After planting, gently close the cardboard flaps around the stem to keep the soil covered. Repeat this for all plants, ensuring enough space between them for proper growth and airflow. Once planting is complete, cover the entire bed with a thick layer of mulch, such as rice straw. This mulch adds an extra barrier against weeds, helps retain moisture, and keeps soil temperature stable. Over time, both the cardboard and mulch break down and enrich the soil naturally. This method not only controls weeds effectively, but also creates a healthier, more fertile environment where pepper plants can grow faster and produce better yields.